Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the tickets from StubHub to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your StubHub application, or you can also go to StubHub website in Safari. When you sign in into your account, you just have to simply look for the option of My Tickets. Now select the event that you have purchased, then tap on the option of View Tickets. This is going to open your digital ticket or the QR code. So make sure that the ticket is fully loaded before moving to the next step. Now on the ticket screen, simply look for this particular option that says Add to Apple Wallet. If it is available, you just have to tap on it. This is going to open the Apple Wallet preview screen in front of you. There you just have to click on the option of Add that will be on the top right hand corner of the screen. After authenticating using Face ID and passcode, the ticket will be saved in your Apple Wallet and it will be easily accessible even without internet. Now, if you don't see this particular option inside your StubHub ticket section, it simply means that the ticket type doesn't support wallet directly. So in this case, you need to go to the My Ticket section in StubHub and then you can click on the option of View Tickets. You can keep the QR code ready inside StubHub application for scanning at the venue. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.